Hello students, I'm here to introduce you to your subject Information Technology course code 402 of class 10. Before getting started with the course content, let's see the division of the marks. Total is of 100 marks, divide into 50-50 ratio, 50 marks for theory. The theory portion contains total 7 units and 50 marks for practicals. We will be now starting with the first unit, that is functional English. So the very first question which comes in our mind is, what is functional English? We can say that practical use of English in our day-to-day life, like our conversations in English, is functional English. To understand more, let's take an example of driving a vehicle, like where is the brake, where is accelerator, where is steering, for how much time we have to raise the accelerator, when we have to use the clutch, and use the basic functions of the vehicles. The second is the knowledge of functionings of the vehicle, like a mechanic do, means how various parts of the vehicle works. Here you have to be a perfect rider or a driver, not the mechanic. Means you do not have to go deeper, rather you have to learn the practical use of English. Means speaking, listening, reading and writing. Apart from these skills, we will focus on social interaction. Social interaction requires communication, and communication is meaningful. This is only when we know how to interact with others. Basically, we'll be learning how to interact with others. There will be persons of same age group, persons younger than us and elder than us, maybe of the same gender or other. In total, we have 22 sessions. So we'll begin with the first session. The first session is ordering food at a restaurant. So just imagine that you are at a restaurant, the waiter has come to you, and you want to order a plate of vegetable chow mein. So the question comes up, how you will place the order. You have to just think and frame some sentences for yourself. So the very first thing we have to see is that when we go to a restaurant, some particular terms are there which we are supposed to know. The very first term is starters. Starters are the very first meal. We can also say it as appetizers, which we order. So if we need to order starters in a restaurant, we can say to the waiter, I would like to have fried vegetarian momos for starters, if we require to ask momos. After finishing up starters, the next thing we need to ask is, we need to order is main course. We can say that the main course is the primary or main dish in a meal. So if we need to ask the waiter what we require to have as or in a main course, we can say that I would like to have shahi paneer, raita, rumali roti for the main course. If we require these things in the main course, then after finishing the main course, the last thing we need to order, if we prefer to, is the dessert. We can say that the dessert is the final course of a meal. It may be a fruit, it may be a sweet dish, it may be ice cream, whatever we need to ask. Say for example, we can ask the waiter, I would like to have kheer for dessert. I would like to have kheer for the dessert. So there is one more thing, and that's called articles. Before continuing further, we need to first see articles. What are articles? So what we can say is that basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. English has three articles: a and the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. To understand more, we can say that the article A is used before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds, like he is a teacher, so we are saying a teacher. She doesn't own a car. I saw a bear at the zoo. To get to understand more about an, the an article is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds, like he is an actor. She didn't get an invitation. I saw an eagle at the zoo. If we need to understand a bit more about the article, we can say that the definite article, the, is the most frequent word in English. We use the most frequently. We use a definite article in front of a noun when we believe the listener or the reader knows exactly what we are referring to. Because there is only one. The Pope is visiting Russia. So we have said the Pope. The moon is very bright tonight, so we have only one moon, so we are saying the moon. Who is the President of France? The President of France. So these are the articles. We have three articles: a, an, and the. So before continuing to the exercise, you are supposed to know about the articles. So I guess articles are quite clear. So we can go back to the restaurant again. Let's see it practically. If we go to a restaurant, how it behaves or how we behave. So the conversation begins with, as we go or you go to a restaurant, the waiter will come to you and he will ask, are you ready to place your order, ma'am, sir? And you need to answer, customer, you are the customer. You will say, yes. For starters, I would like to have chili potatoes. For example, if you require to add or have chili potatoes, waiter will certainly ask how many. So you will say, as a requirement, just one plate will do. A waiter will say, okay. After finishing up with the starter, you need to ask for the main course, and for so waiter will ask for your main course and you have to order. You have to say, yes, I would order a vegetable fried rice and chicken Manchurian with gravy. So waiter will say, okay, one chili potato, if you have ordered chili potato also along with it, one vegetable fried rice, one chicken Manchurian with gravy. Is that correct, ma'am? You'll say, yes. After finishing up with the main course, again, you need to call the waiter. Waiter will come and you need to say or ask to him. Before that, waiter will ask from you, can I get you anything else? So you have to say, could you get me chocolate ice cream? Waiter will say, sure, ma'am, or sir. And then you have to say, oh, thank you, that will be all. So this is the conversation, a possible conversation which you can have when you go to a restaurant. The next thing is an assignment which you need to do by yourself. You can copy this assignment in a copy and you can try for yourself. A simple exercise there. You have to fill these sentences with articles a and the. So try it by yourself. We'll be meeting again for the next video, for the next session. Thank you.